counties ang'wen.
Eric Owenga, Ramogi TV, Bomas of Kenya, Nairobi.
Gavana mar County Nyamira Amos Nyaribo otonye lwete MCAs manyocha chano gole oko e ofis. MCAs 18 puodho telo mar Nyaribo ka MCAs 16 emane ogoyo ombulu mondo mi gole oko e telo. Paro mar golo Amos Nyaribo e kom ne opedhi gi MCA ma Sesi Ward miluongo ni Josiah Mangera mane dwaro ni gol Gavana ne telo ne ketho maromo 9 karanyisi gin tiyo marach gi apis gi weche mag tiyo marach gi mwandu mar jopiny.
Thank you, Honorable Obara Edina Mora. Paul. Abstain.
The noes were 18. And for such a motion to carry the day, the ayes were to attain a threshold of 2/3, which is 23 votes, which the motion did not attain the threshold and has been shot down.
His Excellency the Governor Amos Nyaribo has won the vote for impeachment, 18 against 16. This was the most blatant abuse of power by any county assembly, whereby you have your opponents ganging up, including your deputy governor, to remove you from power so that they can be in power. So on behalf of my ward and the people of Nyamira, we want first to congratulate His Excellency the Governor Amos Nyaribo, and then to say that governors should be allowed to do their work.
Siku ya leo MCAs tumesimama, tumesema tunataka hawa wenye wanashiriki katika hili kitendo cha kutaka kutoa gavana mamlakani, tumewaambia leo washindwe ili waache gavana afanyie wana